Rainy morning, guys. You are rain.
Just chilling before we do anything. Yeah, don't really know what we're doing today as such, but we'll let you know soon. Isn't that right, mister?
Yes.
Excuse my bra in the background and Tyrone's pink underwear. Hey guys, so basically today we're just like, I know, we're just washing clothes and things. Welcome. Oh my god, my face is shocking. So let's just go do something. It's a prank, okay? Just wait. Watch at 11. Hold up. Just bear with me, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was a prank. It was a prank. You talk about pranks? So I got you back. Holy kaloli. What is that? Is that a scratch?
I was looking at it.
Alright guys, I know it wasn't much of a prank, but you know, he didn't expect it. He thought I was coming out just to help, not wet him, but yeah, did the thing, and apparently he's gonna get me back. Whatever! We're just chilling here at home. It's been a lazy day today.
Yeah.
Chill out day.
Yeah. Cook and eat and watch movies and all of that. But no, guys, we don't have any internet. My Jesus. Internet gone. So there's some play music.
It's an island boy.
Yeah, the vibe.
Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world. Oh, oh, a girl like you, me now let go. Oh, oh, you must come from up heaven. So easy you make me think twice. Finally made up my mind. I'm a renegade.
He's yawning. It means he's tired. He's getting tired.
That's something good.
Grandpa.
Yeah. What's going on?
I love you, baby, so much. You mean the world to me. I can't wait to be your wife. Hi guys. So basically, we're kind of like out of power right now. Yeah, we've been hit by no lighting. So we're just chilling. I've just found this little torch thing here. And literally outside is like a ghost town. Yeah. So today we said we're going to the beach.
This morning we off to the beach, you understand? So that's the pre for this morning. Wearing my Island Boy shirt and thing.
We didn't end up going to the beach, guys, because I felt really sick last night. We had some chicken down the street in town, and I think that made me feel really sick. Like I had a bit of a runny tummy and things. And luckily I bought some diarrhea drops and nausea tablets from back home, because Lord knows I would have been literally gone if I wouldn't have been able to go anywhere today if that's the case, that I didn't bring those tablets. But yeah, so we just really basically just went out for brunch, and yeah, we went out for brunch and we basically came straight back home because I just was not feeling well. It just, yeah, as most people would know what it feels like when you have a gastro bug. Yeah, so we are just chilling at home right now. We're going to go out soon. I'm going to go play some pool table and do some, yeah, walking around maybe. I'm not very hungry. Like I said, I'm not feeling very hungry, but I might feel like an ice cream. Yeah, so we'll take you along with us. I don't think that there's much lighting happening at the moment. If I show you outside, you're going to see there's absolutely no lights. So it's definitely a dead town out here. This is the only light we've got. If I show you, that's pitch black. Can't see nothing. Nothing at all. So I'm going to leave you with that. And we'll speak to you soon. Hopefully the electricity will be up and running shortly.
I know you need a holiday. Let's go away for 6 months, twice in a year, baby.